These fish like to move upriver in 6 to 10 feet of water, and if they're not jumping and actively showing themselves, you've got to work these runs from top to down every hole as you're going down the river. And so by identifying where those fish are with the Mega Live, it's going to save us time working through dead water. But what we did is we pulled into the hole, deployed the Mega Live to the side, and just kind of rolled down and noticed that they were kind of congregating in this little part of the seam line here. Basically casting 1/2 ounce jigs, kind of working the bottom. I mean, for us in the Northwest, this is very similar to some styles of bass fishing, and there's no reason why we wouldn't want to utilize some of the weapons and the tools that you guys have in the bass fishing world out here for salmon.
Look at them swimming.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, that is so sick.
But wait till I get it dialed.
Oh my God, look at the pile. Look at the pile of them.
Yep. It's not, those are, oh my God.
I call it bass fishing for salmon, you know, more or less. You're popping that jig up, letting it fall, popping it up, letting it fall. And, you know, it depends on if you have no current or current, how fast you twitch it and how much line you recover. With no current in here, as you can see, I'm not recovering a bunch of line. I'm just twitching up, letting that thing fall, and then slowly reeling my slack up. It's real important to pick this water apart. I mean, especially in these low clear conditions, it's super important.
Yeah, I'd say there's some salmon in there. Oh my God, they're all up here. We gotta fish this. Coho.
Plug.
Nope, twitching jig, rubber. Oh, come on, baby. Yeah. Oh,
Come on, good job, Cam.
here's the plastic, baby.
Yes,
The plastic.
Plastic and Mega Live, baby.
Please be a keeper. Is he good? He's good.
He's good.
Yes, he's a good one.
Yeah.
Hatchery fish.
All right.
That's how you do it. And you know what? If I wasn't seeing those fish on Mega Live swim that way, I wouldn't have casted that way.
Oh, absolutely.
Would not have casted that
I
way.
literally saw him circle back.
Chrome, bright coho.
Sick, dude. So cool.
Utilizing the Mega Live, put that fish in our boat.
Absolutely. Great job, dude.
It's just
really
this
will revolutionize how we fish these fish.
crazy.
You can literally pick them out in sections like this where Cameron probably wouldn't have made that cast had he not seen them on there. Unbelievable. Oh my gosh, look how clear. Look at him, Cam. Look at him.
Oh
my God, look at him.
Look at that.
I mean,
It connects.
this thing is next level. Just being able to see them in real time and know what they're doing, know where they're sitting, and know how they're acting.
Let's be honest, it's cheating.
It is kind of cheating. I love it.